So let us think what will happen when I need to change the sign. I mean to say, suppose somewhere you get minus x is greater than equals to 5. So what we will do here, because I need a positive number here. Okay. So you can do like this. You just write it down here, changing sign. Changing sign. And when you are changing the sign, this means all the three sign will change. This means this negative will become positive, this greater than equal to will become less than equals to, and this 5 will become negative 5. Okay. You might be thinking that why I'm doing this, I'm memorizing this, not like that. So I'm going to make you understand how it is happening. So suppose it is minus x is greater than equals to 5, okay, and I need this positive. So what I'm doing, I'm adding x minus 5 both sides. So what will happen by adding x minus 5 both sides? Let's check. So if we'll add x minus 5 both sides, so it will become minus x minus 5 greater than, it will be minus x plus x minus 5 and 5 plus x minus 5. So this can be written as x cancel. So it will be minus 5 is greater than equals to, and 5 will cancel x. But if I want to write down the variable this side, so variable will be here, this sign will be reverse and this will be negative. So check it out. This is the same thing I got here directly, right? X is lesser than equal to minus 5. This means actually I'm skipping all this while I'm writing this one. So you can do it directly in your syllabus. Okay. So whenever you are getting any negative value with variable, then only we'll do the changing sign. Okay. Now let's think about how to draw the number line, okay, for a solution. So before we draw the number line, we need to understand two things: replacement set another is called solution set. So whenever you have a question, like suppose you have a question like this, 2x plus 3 by 5 is lesser than equals to, for say 3, correct, or 13. Okay. Now there must be written what is x. X might be integer, correct. So whatever the value of x is given, like this is the replacement set, because you have to find the answer from the replacement set. Whatever the answer will come, it should be there in the replacement set. So replacement set mean to say the set which is given in the condition, the set of given condition for variable x. I mean to say in this case, the all integers are replacement set. And you know what are integers? So integers are like 0, 1, 2, 3 and unlimited. It will go that side, and this side it will go unlimited in the negative side. Okay. So these are the integers. Now what is the solution set? So we'll come on the topic once we'll solve the answer of this question. So let us solve it. So I'm copying the question. 2x plus 3 by 5 is lesser than equals to 13. So what I will do, I will remove this 5. How? By multiplying 5 both sides. What will happen? It will become 2x plus 3, because this 5 will cancel with this 5, and this will be 13 into 5. So it will be 65, because I'm multiplying by 5 both sides. Next I need to remove this 3. So I will subtract 3 both sides. So we will subtract 3 both sides. So this will become 2x plus 3. So this 3 will cancel with this 3, and 65 minus 3, it will become 62. Now we need to remove this 2. So I will divide it by 2 both sides. BS stands for both sides here. So it will be x become less than equals to 31. Correct? See, the value of x is less than equals to 31. Okay. And what is the replacement set? We have integers. So all the values which are less than 31 and are integers will be the answer. So what are the possible values of x? X equal to, you can say 31, then obviously it is lesser than, it will not go that side, it will go downwards, so it will be 30, it will be 29, and so on up to 0, -1, -2, -3, and it will continue. So this will be the answer, correct? So this is called replacement set. So what is the replacement set here? -3, I mean to say it will go unlimited in this side, then it will be, or better you will be writing the solution set at the end. So it will be solution set. So solution set will be this one. This will be the solution set.